to my channel. And yes, you guys, I am back with the same shirt, necklace, earrings, all that same makeup on, because I am filming another video for you guys today. Okay, and I wanted to bring you guys like a quick little one-two of some of the styles that I wear my faux locks in. So it's not gonna be talking. I don't really need to talk to, you know, tell y'all about the hairstyles, because they're pretty much self-explanatory when you guys see them. So what I am going to do is let that beautiful bean footage roll, but make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe, and share my content. Okay, all right, you guys, roll that beautiful bean footage.